To assemble, excavator. Amazing! Filling, excavator. Choose the refueling gun of the same color as the press the pump. Keep it up. Let's dig a hole for the fountain. Headed hoses for the nozzles ready. Hooray! We have to assemble drop side truck. Hooray! Waterproofing and tiles on the bottom. You're doing really great. First, we need to assemble minivan. We did it! The water delivery pump. Build your own vehicle park. Amazing! We have to assemble lift crane. Ready. For lower levels. You're doing really great. Tiles and decorations. We did it! We need to assemble water truck. Hooray! Filling water truck. Pump. You're doing really great. Let's fill it with water and turn the fountain on. Let's fix the rusting. Let's paint over the discoloration. We did it! Hooray! Build your own vehicle park. Amazing! First, we need to assemble. Pickup truck. Ready. Now we need to fill it. Pickup truck. Press the pump. Keep up the good work. Let's place the ice cream stand. The fountain construction is complete. You've got a great place to relax. You're doing really great. Ore is mined on the rocky terrain.